Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to stop your followers from seeing which spaces you're listening to on the X app. If you've ever joined a space but didn't want everyone knowing about it, this quick setting will help you keep your activity private. Let's get right into the steps. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once inside, head to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will bring up the main menu, where you'll see several different options related to your account. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize just about everything about your profile, from security to visibility. For our purpose, the place we need to focus on is under Privacy and Safety. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Privacy and Safety menu, you'll find different categories that control how your profile shows up and what information is shared. Among these options, look for the section labeled Spaces. This is where your activity related to spaces can be adjusted and managed. Now, once you're inside the Spaces settings, you'll see an option that says, Let followers see which spaces you're listening to. By default, this switch may be turned on, which means your followers can spot whenever you're joining or listening in real time. To keep things private, simply toggle this switch off. With that change, your followers won't be notified or shown which spaces you've decided to listen to. It's a simple adjustment, but it gives you more control over your privacy and how visible your activity is on the platform. And that's all it takes. Open the app, go to your profile icon, head to Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy and Safety, go into Spaces, and then turn off that setting. From now on, you can enjoy any space you want without worrying about it being visible to your followers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to share it with anyone else who might want to take charge of their privacy. Thanks for watching.